Hi, Sumukh.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Aruna from Quality Department, Sumukh. I just need a feedback interview from your side. And before starting that, first of all, congrats for your placement, Sumukh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, all about your introduction, your hometown, and your college.
Okay. My name is Sumukh, ma'am. I completed my BE Civil in SJCIT Chikballapur from 2021. I'm staying in Bangalore, ma'am, Rajajinagar.
Okay, how did you get to know CMTI, Sumukh?
So one of my friend Ali Asgar was training here only. So from that Ali Asgar only I got through the CMT, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what and all you learned in CMTI, Sumukh? What was the new thing you learned in CMTI?
So I learned about the civil engineering, about construction field, ma'am, methodology, and about the interiors, ma'am. And then gain more about the tendering and procurement also. Uh, so that's it, ma'am.
Okay. How was your training? Like, how was the trainer's approach in the courses and all? Whether they were clearing your doubts or what?
Yes, ma'am. It was the trainers also was very friendly and they were bringing more knowledge and they were also training us for giving us more knowledge about the subject, ma'am.
Fine. How was your site visits and all?
So we had visited mainly three sites, ma'am. One is BGRT, Victoria, and JPN site, ma'am. We gained more about knowledge about the site work, about how the construction is going on, and how the slab details about, ma'am. That also we got it, ma'am.
Okay. Then how was your interview process, Sumukh? How did you crack the interview?
So, ma'am, I got the knowledge about the interiors from CMT only. So I cleared the entry of factory QC. So from that only I cleared it, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that benefit you?
So I learned about the AutoCAD and SketchUp drawing, major software programs from I learned about from that only, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
So I'll tell them that it's a good institute for learning and more knowledge to gain about civil engineering, ma'am, and more about interiors also, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about staffs? How was their coordination during the placements as well as the courses and all?
They were also doing they were also helping us for so to send for the interviews. They also helped a lot, ma'am.
Okay. How was your experience in CMTI, Sumukh?
It was a very good experience, ma'am. So in college we will not know more about the civil engineering, about the main subjects like about the construction field or the interior field, ma'am. So from here only we got know more knowledge about the construction and the interior field, ma'am. So it is a very good institute for interior and construction field, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Sumukh. Thanks for your feedback. And once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. Thank you, Sumukh.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.